Okay, hello. Our story today is A Bear and His Honey by Fannie Morris. So, this is a fiction story. It's pretend, it's not real. Okay. How do you know it's a fiction story? How do you know it's pretend or not real? I guess when I look at the pictures, it doesn't look like a photo or like a video of me that looks real. It looks like it's drawn. And I've never really seen, I don't know, I've never really seen a bear be in a cave with a lamp and a bowl of spaghetti. That's kind of not real, right? So those are some other clues. So I can tell because it's drawn, because of some of the things in it, some of the things in the picture. Okay. The big brown bear likes to eat honey on his banana. I'm noticing a lot of sight words here. I'm noticing the big, our color word brown, like, with an S on the end, so likes. To, our sight word this week, on, and his. Holy guacamole, that's a lot of sight words. So the big brown bear likes to eat honey on his banana. He likes to pour the honey on his bread. Think about it. Do you like to eat honey on anything? Maybe you like to have honey on your toast? Or I know that sometimes when we make chicken nuggets, I like to dip my chicken nuggets in honey. I don't know if you've ever done that before. So think about it. Do you like to put honey on anything? The big brown bear likes to drip honey on his cereal. The big brown bear likes to pour some honey on his pizza. What? He put honey on his pizza. I've never had honey on my pizza. Have you guys ever had honey on your pizza? That's a new one. Lucy, have you had honey on your pizza? No. All right, let's see what the bear's going to do next. Let's make a prediction. What is he going to do next? He seems to be putting honey on a lot of different things. So far, he's put honey on his bread and his cereal, and now his pizza. Make a prediction and whisper it to me. Where is he going to put honey next? Let's find out. He likes to drip honey on his carrots. That's a new one. The big brown bear likes to drip honey on his noodles. Does anybody have a connection? From the beginning of the story, the cover, right? The cover of the story, that was the same picture. When I look at this now, oh my goodness, what do you notice about the bear and the honey? Guys, it's everywhere. Oh no. The big brown bear likes to pour some honey on his ice cream. If you haven't had that, that is pretty tasty. And then, and the big brown bear loves to lick the honey off his paws and his arms and his tail and his nose. The end. What I want you to do now is go ahead and grab your whiteboard and your marker. Pause the video until you have it. Okay, everyone, so you're back with a whiteboard and a marker. We're going to write today, just together, okay? Just like we do sometimes where I go and then you go, okay? We're going to write today a little bit about the bear. So in the story, what was the bear doing? The bear was eating honey on a lot of his favorite foods. So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to ask you to do first is I'm going to ask you to draw first, or to write first, and then you can draw your picture. Okay? Go. Here's what we're going to write today. We're going to say, the bear likes to drip honey on his food. That's a long one. That's a lot, but we're going to do it together. Okay? You're going to start at the top corner of your whiteboard, at the tippy top. Okay? The tippy top of your whiteboard. Okay? Start with that first sight word, the, capital T, because it's the beginning of a sentence. The, T-H-E. The. Take your time. If you need to pause the video, press pause while you finish writing a word. Okay? The bear, B, E, and I'm going to change my font real quick. A, R, the bear, finger space, likes, that's our new sight word, L, I, K, E. So far this is the bear like. We need to put likes. S, what letter? S, good. The bear likes. I think we're going to shorten this sentence a little bit today. The bear likes to, there's our sight word, our new sight word, finger space. T, t. Good. U, O, to. Good. The bear likes to. Finger space. Eat. E. What letter do you hear? E. E. And eat is E, A, T. The bear likes to eat, space, honey. We're going to shorten the sentence down to, the bear likes to eat honey. H, O, N, E, E, and then there's a Y on there. Y. Let's check out our sentence. The bear likes to eat honey, period. Now you'll notice when I put that period on there, it bumped my word down to the second row. You can totally do that, okay? If you missed a word, go back in and erase it and just try to write it again. Okay, you can rewind the video, you can listen to me and practice writing it again, pausing it after every word to make sure that you have it right. Okay? Once you have the sentence completed, the bear likes to eat honey, you can go ahead and draw a picture of it, okay? Good job.